Good morning, students. You are most welcome in our online education.com. Today we will discuss about the poem The Unknown Citizen written by W.H. Auden. This poem is included in the syllabus of BA second semester of Punjab University Chandigarh. Which topic we will discuss in the video about the poet, definition of unknown citizen and brief summary. So students, firstly we discuss about the poet. W. H. Auden was one of the leading poets writing in English in the 20th century. He was born in England. He belonged to a group of poets including Spender and Lewis who wanted to bring poetry back to everyday life. Their poetry was simple and direct, using ordinary language, and made many references to the way people lived and worked and to machines. Auden and his friends was encouraged by the ideas of socialism and the brotherhood of man and wrote much about the social problems and politics of the time. When civil war broke out in Spain, Auden went to serve with an ambulance unit and wrote some fine poems about his experience. He also traveled to China, reporting and writing poems about the war with Japan. In 1939, he went to live in the United States and in 1946 became an American citizen. So students, now definition of unknown citizen. By definition, the unknown citizen has no identity. With the related concept of the unknown soldier, it is the soldier's physical remains or dead body that cannot be identified. But for the unknown citizen, it is more that his life was so commonplace that he did not separate himself in any way from his fellow citizens. There must be thousands, even millions of unknown citizens out there about whom little can be said except that they did not get in anyone's way. On the other hand, you might think that there is nothing wrong with being unknown and that the poet's being self-important. So next, now about the poem. In many cities of Europe, there are memorials erected in honor of soldiers killed in war. Such memorials are usually dedicated to the unknown soldier. The ordinary soldier who laid down their lives for the sake of their country, but no one knows them by name or an individual. This poem is a variety of such memorials. Here the memorial is not of the unknown soldier, but of the unknown citizen. Just as nothing is known of the common soldier as an individual, so also nothing is known of the common citizen in modern society. The common citizen in today's society has lost all his individuality. Nothing is known about him an individual. He is a mere face in the crowd. He is mere number. He is mere cog in the social machinery. He has no individuality even in his behavior. He acts not as he wants, but as others want him to act. The worth of a man is not judged by the personal qualities. It is judged according to the standards laid down by various institutions. He is considered a success if he conforms to the standards set by these institutions. The unknown citizen in this poem is considered an ideal citizen because he conforms strictly to the life around him. He follows all those conventions that have been fixed by different establishments. His personal freedom and happiness are considered to be of no account. What is considered important is man's conformity to the set standards, and as long as he does not protest, he is considered an idle being. So students, there is completed our poem. Thanks. Thank you. Have a nice day.